Hi everyone, this is Triston, and I'm here with your investment opportunities to watch. Now, over the past couple of days, there's a lot of people coming towards me and saying, hey Triston, you gotta put some money in Solana, you gotta buy Solana. But nobody has really gave me a quick rundown of why there's so much optimism in Solana. Now, I'm not a big crypto guy. I'll be honest. I put more money into stocks than I do crypto. I don't have a problem with it, but I just don't like to put my money in things that I don't know a lot about. So I went ahead and did some research. Basically, a quick rundown of what Solana is all about, why people find it interesting and worthwhile to invest in, and then also the use case as well as the bearish and the bullish sentiments from investors that already have equity. So for all the other traditional investors like myself who do not know a lot about cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm gonna go over what is Solana to start with. Solana is a high-performance blockchain designed to handle thousands of transactions per second with very low fees. It's used for decentralized apps, NFTs, and DeFi, and is seen as a faster, cheaper alternative to Ethereum. People value it because of its speed, growing ecosystem, and potential for mass adoption. So, why are people so optimistic about Solana? People are optimistic about Solana for a few main reasons. Speed and low fees. Solana can process thousands of transactions per second with very low cost compared to Ethereum. This makes it attractive for apps that need scale like games, trading platforms, or payments. Ecosystem growth. A lot of developers are building on Solana. Decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, games, and new apps. The more activity, the more demand for Solana to pay fees and run the network. Adoption and partnerships. Big names like Visa, Spotify integrations, and stablecoin projects have tested or adopted Solana's tech, which boosts confidence. Investor sentiment. People see it as a strong competitor to Ethereum. If it becomes the go-to blockchain for fast, cheap transactions, its value could rise. Scarcity and staking. Solana has a capped supply growth rate, and holders can stake their coins to earn rewards, which creates additional demand. In short, people value it because they believe its tech is faster, cheaper, and increasingly adopted, and they believe that will make Solana more scarce and valuable over time. Now, let's go over the main risks and criticisms that people have about Solana. Outages and reliability. Solana has had multiple network outages in the past, hours to a day plus, usually caused by overwhelming demand or bugs. Critiques argue this shows it may not be as resilient as Ethereum, which prioritizes security and decentralization over speed. Centralization concerns. Solana's validator requirements are high, powerful, expensive hardware, which means fewer people can realistically run nodes. This concentration raises concerns that it's less decentralized than other blockchains. Competition. Ethereum, despite higher fees, has the largest developer and user base. Other Ethereum alternatives like Avalanche, Aptos, and Near are also competing for the fast, cheap blockchain spot. Token economics. While staking rewards are appealing, inflation from rewards dilutes supply until demand grows enough to offset it. Investors worry about whether demand will keep up long term. Regulatory and market risk. Like all crypto, Solana is exposed to regulatory uncertainty. US SEC lawsuits have named Solana in the past. If regulations tighten or if sentiment towards crypto turns negative, price can fall regardless of tech. In short, optimists see Solana as a fast, scalable blockchain of the future, but skeptics worry about stability, centralization, and competition. So if you are interested in Solana, this video should give you a baseline idea of what it's all about. Do remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and I would encourage you to seek a financial advisor before executing financial transactions. Again, this is Triston, and this is why people are optimistic about Solana. Bye-bye, y'all.